Welcome to Inside Business Today. You know, when it comes to healthcare, patients today are looking for more than just treatment. They're looking for trust, connection, and real results.
And for those dealing with shoulder, elbow, or sports-related injuries, finding the right specialist can make all the difference. So joining us today is Dr. Anthony Romeo. He is the founder of Romeo Orthopaedics. It is a practice redefining patient-centered care in today's very complex healthcare environment. So welcome to the show, Doctor.
Thank you very much, Giuliana and Bill, for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you. Now, you've been doing this a long time.
Yep.
You know, you've got an amazing reputation here in Chicago, 30 years.
Yes.
And you recently went out on your own and got that entrepreneurial bug.
Yes.
Tell us why you did that and how it's going.
Sure. I was involved in academic medicine for a long time. We had a private practice model. I was also involved in a system that had a private equity ownership to a healthcare system. And I found there was more and more entities that were interfering with our abilities to really have that special relationship with our patients. And I realized that the true North Star for the healthcare that we want to deliver and patients want to receive is that we have to put the patient at the center of our healthcare model. Mm-hmm. And I felt the only way to do that is if I started the practice on my own and set it up from the very beginning that they were going to be the focus of everything that we do.
Mm-hmm. So how does that make it easier for you and also easier for the patient?
The patient has a seamless experience from the very beginning. We're available, so when they call, we set up the appointment and arrange that they can do it either online or directly with our receptionist. And when they come in, we have the ability to do imaging studies, and we can then also in the office spend time with them. And one of the key things and one of the wonderful technologies we have is using AI. I'm able to sit there and talk to them just like this while our conversation is being documented. So I don't have to be sitting in a computer typing and say, what was that you said? Yeah. I'm gonna ask them questions, and then I'm gonna show them I would do their examination and show them their x-rays and their MRI and say, this is what you have, and this is how we take care of this problem. And they realize that this is a different way of practicing medicine. It's all about them and making sure they get the care that they need.
Yeah. I love this because, you know, when I had a surgery, I had to go to different places to get imaging. Mm-hmm. It's one-stop shopping.
Yeah.
Right? In your facility or near your facility?
Near our facility. So Great. We don't do the advanced imaging like MRI, but many people that come to me or refer to me already have the MRI.
Great.
So if we have the X-ray and the MRI, I can sit with them and share with them all the different parts of the evaluation that comes up with the correct diagnosis, which is really critical of coming up with the best treatment plan. And then through a shared decision process with them, understand more about their life and their lifestyle and say, this is the best option we have for you to get back to the things that you want to do. And so I think it's so important to just refocus on the patient. It's not about fixing a tendon or repairing a torn labrum. It's about fixing the problem the patient has so they can get back to the life that they have been missing for a while.
And you work with elite pro athletes to basically everyone under the sun. But what I like that you're doing is you're kind of breaking away from that private equity, you know, assembly line model. Tell me about that.
Yeah, I think that the problem is that whether it's private equity or even in some of our healthcare systems, the driving force becomes, unfortunately, margins. It's like if you can see 30 patients, then maybe you can see 35 patients. And that is just not the way to practice. The real incentive should be what's going to allow you the environment to give the best care for that patient. And each patient's going to require a certain amount of time, and you can't be it's 10 minutes and that's all you get. Each patient has their own concerns, their own needs, and the ultimate goal of that relationship is trust. They have to trust you. Imagine, as you did with your surgery, you know there's going to be a period of time where you have no control over the experience in your body, and you're trusting someone else to take an hour or two and do the best that they can to change your life for a positive reason. Yeah. And that is very important to develop that before you get to the operating room.
Wow, this is great stuff. You know, let's take a closer look at how Romeo Orthopaedics is helping patients move beyond pain and back to performance in this Business Edge. Take a look.
Pain has a way of changing everything. Whether it's an injured shoulder or chronic joint pain, mobility limitations can make even the simplest daily activities feel impossible and keep people from living the lives they love. Romeo Orthopaedics believes great orthopedic care starts by treating the whole person, not just the injury. Through personalized treatment plans, advanced orthopedic expertise, and a compassionate approach, the team helps patients regain mobility, confidence, and independence.
So I've had a really long journey. It's been going on for over 2 years now. And I've gone through many different surgeons and doctors, and I found that Dr. Romeo and his team were very compassionate, knowledgeable. Every question that I had, they answered. They treated me more like family than just another patient walking through the door.
For many patients, healing begins with trust. Taking the time to listen, explain every step of the process, and create a treatment plan tailored to each individual helps patients feel confident throughout their recovery.
And confident with Dr. Romeo. He did my left shoulder 15 years ago. It was a remarkable recovery. Knowing that what I went through, I absolutely wanted him to do my right shoulder, with no questions at all.
I have a lot more relief because I've had 4 surgeries on this same shoulder prior to coming here, and now I just feel everything on that side of my body just feels great now.
Whether returning to work, getting back on the golf course, playing with grandchildren, or simply swinging the racket, success isn't measured only by medical outcomes. It's measured by helping people reclaim the moments that matter most. Because exceptional orthopedic care isn't just about healing injuries. It's about restoring movement, renewing confidence, and helping people get back to living life without limits.
What do you hope that people take away from your story, both people that are struggling with shoulder and elbow issues, as well as physicians that are thinking about going on their own?
For the patients, I would say that you should trust the surgeon who's going to be operating on you. If they don't have enough time to go over your x-rays and your MRI and explain your diagnosis and why the surgery is going to work, I would be concerned about that because it's your body and you're going to live with it for the rest of your life. And you want to make sure that that person has that same sense of accountability for that. In terms of physicians, I would say that we've heard all these issues about physician burnout and disappointment with the way they're practicing medicine. In fact, there's recent reports that the retirement age is dropping precipitously. People are just saying, I've had enough. And I think that's because we've been caught in a system that's taken away the core part of what we do, and that is developing a trusting relationship with our patients. So I would say to physicians, put the patient at the center of your care model, take care of them to the best of your ability, and work with them to get the results. And I think you're going to find that it's very rewarding personally and professionally. So I think that's one of the advantages of being an independent model. You can stay focused on that, not worry about whether this procedure here or that procedure there has some kind of financial incentive. I don't care about any of that. I just want to do whatever's the best thing for that patient to get the result they're looking for.
Dr. Romeo, thank you so much for being here. We know just, how busy you are. I mean, your days are packed, so we appreciate you taking the time with us.
Yes, thank you so much. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time on Inside Business Today.